Welcome back, my students. Dr. Ugu here, and today I bring you the video first of the histology playlist. Clearly, in this playlist, I will teach you the whole histology of the first year, its diagrams, and all that. Let's begin with the first video. The first video is going to be about the simple epithelium. Clearly, so let's begin. Epithelium. What is epithelium? Epithelium lines body cavities. It lines blood vessels. It lines organs. Clearly, so epithelium lines body cavities, blood vessels, and organs. This epithelium is of two types. This epithelium is of two types. Number first is simple epithelium. Clearly, number second is compound epithelium. What is simple epithelium? It consists of single layer of cells. Single layer of cells. Single layer of cells, uh, which are present on basement membrane. Which are present on basement membrane. Clearly, so this is a basement membrane. On the basement membrane lies a simple epithelium. Clearly, simple epithelium. So this is the basement membrane, and these are the cells of the simple epithelium. Clearly, now we have the compound epithelium. Compound epithelium consists of many layers of cells. Clearly, we will study compound epithelium in the next video. Today's video is specifically going to be about the simple epithelium. Now we move on to the simple epithelium. We know what is simple epithelium. It consists of single layer of cells. Clearly, resting on a basement membrane. Clearly, this simple epithelium is of four types. This simple epithelium is of four types based on shape of cells. Based on shape of cells. Shape of cells. Clearly, on this basement membrane lies cells. What is the shape of those cells that determines which type of epithelium, which type of simple epithelium it is. Clearly, so what are the four types of simple epithelium? Number first type is simple squamous. Simple squamous. I will also teach you how to draw the diagram of the simple squamous epithelium. First, we should know 2 points about the simple squamous epithelium. Number first point is its breadth is greater than as compared to its length. Clearly, number second point is its nucleus is flat. Its nucleus is flat. So, what are the 2 points we should know about in simple epithelium? The cells of the simple epithelium, in those cells, the breadth of the cells is greater than as compared to the length of the cells, and their nucleus is flat. Now, let's learn how to draw the diagram of the simple squamous epithelium. Simple squamous epithelium. First, like always, a simple epithelium, there is a presence of basement membrane. So this is the basement membrane. On this basement membrane are simple squamous cells. Clearly clear. And what is their nucleus? Their nucleus is flat. Their nucleus is flat. So this is the diagram of the simple squamous epithelium. What is this? This is a basement membrane. These are simple squamous cells. Simple squamous cells or simple squamous epithelium. Clearly. And what is their nucleus? Nucleus is flat. Nucleus is flat. This is the first point about the simple squamous epithelium. Example of the simple squamous. Where do we find simple squamous in our body? Number first is Bowman's capsule. Clearly. Number second is alveoli. Alveoli. And the third is blood vessels. These are the three examples, main important examples of the simple squamous epithelium. Clearly, what is the function of the simple squamous epithelium? Their function is exchange. As we know, exchange of air in alveoli. Clearly, filtration here. So this is the simple squamous epithelium. What is the second type of the epithelium? What is the second type of the simple epithelium? Second type of simple epithelium is simple cuboidal. Simple cuboidal epithelium. What is simple cuboidal epithelium? 2 points we should know about. Its breadth is equal to the length. Number second, nucleus is round. Nucleus is round. These 2 points. Now we will draw the simple cuboidal epithelium. Like always, simple epithelium. There's the presence of basement membrane. So this is the basement membrane of the simple epithelium. Here, simple cuboidal epithelium. Clearly, number second point, breadth is equal to length. Breadth is equal to length. Clearly, and nucleus is round. And nucleus is round. So this is the diagram of the simple cuboidal epithelium. What do we find in this diagram? We find a basement membrane because it is simple epithelium, single layer of cells. It is simple epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium. Why? Because breadth is equal to length of these cells, and nucleus is round, as you can see, round. nucleus. Clearly, what is the example of the simple cuboidal epithelium? Example of simple cuboidal epithelium is thyroid follicles. Clearly, another example will be tubules of kidney. Tubules of kidney. These are the two examples. These are the two locations in our body where simple cuboidal epithelium is seen. What is the function of? Function is secretion. Function of simple cuboidal is secretion. Clearly, so the second type of this simple epithelium is clear, simple cuboidal. Now we'll move on to the third type of the simple epithelium. Third type of the simple epithelium will be simple columnar. Simple columnar epithelium. Clearly, the important 2 points in the simple columnar epithelium: length is always greater than breadth. Number second, the nucleus is elongated nucleus. Clearly, now we will try to draw the diagram of the simple columnar epithelium. First, we will draw basement membrane. Then we will draw the cells in which the length is greater as compared to the breadth. Clearly, and in these cells, their nucleus is round. Elongated. Clearly, elongated nucleus. This is the elongated nucleus. Clearly, so this is the diagram of the simple columnar epithelium. What do we find here? We find here a basement membrane. These are the cells of the simple columnar epithelium, and this is the elongated nucleus. Clearly, so this is simple columnar epithelium. Example is stomach and uterus. These are the two locations where uterus, clearly, where simple columnar epithelium is seen. Now we have here the last type of the simple epithelium, that's called as the pseudo-stratified epithelium. Fourth is pseudo-stratified epithelium. So what is pseudo-stratified epithelium? 2 points about the pseudo-stratified epithelium. Number first point is it is single layer. It is single layer. That's why it is a simple epithelium. It should be single layer. It is single layer. Clearly, single layer. Single layer. But it appears multi-layered. Clearly, that is the number first point in pseudostratified epithelium. What is the second point? The nucleus are arranged at various levels. At various levels. Now let's draw the diagram of the pseudostratified epithelium. Number first, we'll draw the basement membrane like always. So this is the basement membrane, because in simple epithelium, that layer, the single layer is present on basement membrane. Now we will draw pseudostratified epithelium. Clearly. As you can see from this diagram, it appears multi-layered. This diagram, as you can see, this epithelium appears multi-layered clearly, but it is single layer. Clearly, this is the number first point. Number second point, as you can see, these nucleus are arranged at various levels. Examples of the pseudostratified epithelium: it is seen in trachea and bronchus. Clearly, so these are the four types of the simple epithelium. Clearly, epithelium is of two types: simple epithelium and the compound epithelium. Then simple epithelium is of four types: simple squamous, simple cuboidal, simple columnar, and pseudostratified epithelium. Clearly, now as you can see, here are the diagrams of the simple epithelium. Number first, we have the simple squamous, simple cuboidal, simple columnar, and the last one we have pseudostratified columnar epithelium. It is single layer but appears multi-layered, and nucleus is arranged at various levels. Thank you very much, my students. Keep up with me. Thank you.